Hey, happy Friday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, I had some stuff written down, but I wanted to relay a real-world scenario that happened yesterday, sourcing parts for a customer's build. I'm doing a new build for a customer that supports VR, so and a more demanding video card, more memory, things like that, beefier processor, and prices are really elevated. DDR5 memory is up at least 300%, and I know I've probably touched on this before, but a sense of urgency may kind of be coming along, because if you have a build in mind, whether you're doing it yourself or having somebody do it for you, parts are elevated in cost right now. I mean, the memory's high enough. Then you start to look at like an RX 9070 XT 16 gig video card with $600. So they aren't dropping due to competition or anything like that, because the memory on the cards are starting to go up in cost due to the memory, the physical memory cost as well. So as they rise, parts rise with them. So if you've got a build planned, sooner rather than having to wait till third quarter 2027 for things to kind of go back to normal, may be the ticket if you really need to build something or you have one in mind. Just a tip, hope that helps, because parts right now are expensive. So shop early and shop often. As far as the shop goes, if you have a last minute technology gift on your list for yourself or someone else, come on by and see us. Our inventory ranges from a VHS hi-fi machine that works just fine. It's great to see a machine and still intact and working and all that good stuff, and the heads are clean and it records and all that, up to a workstation / desktop AM5 build that supports both the EPYC processor or the Ryzen consumer processor. So a wide range of inventory here at Jets PC. So come on by and see us. Come see the difference for yourself. Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121, and fall and winter hours are Tuesday through Saturday 10 to 6. Thanks for tuning in today. Thanks for subscribing over on our YouTube channel and on Instagram. Feel free to drop a comment, hit a like, or subscribe over on YouTube. Y'all have a good morning, and happy holidays to everybody.